What's up, guys? Galapagos Jay here. So today I am going to make my very own bead breaker, and there won't be a lot of talking for this video. It's just going to record all of the work that I'm going to do. So I'll be making the bead breaker out of some galvanized tubing, and yeah, hopefully it'll work out the way I want it. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so just an intermission. I couldn't film properly this time because a lot of things that I was doing, I was just doing it on the fly, so I really don't know how to place the camera and stuff. But basically, I have most of the parts machined now. So that's basically all the parts that I've made. I just need to fix this plate onto the frame and then screw this here, then I'll be done. And that's the bead breaker. It looks kind of different to what you get on the market, but this actually is an existing design that I was trying to copy from some of the sellers, so it should work. It should work. Alright guys, so after hours of work, I finally finished my bead breaker. And it's time for the final reveal. Very simple contraption, but it's going to be very useful for when I need to change tires. So I just put the wheels here, and then I use this to push down the tire. Anyway, so that's it. That's my bead breaker. The reason why it took me so long is because It's actually my very first time welding, so it took me a while to really get the hang of it. But other than the crappy welds, it looks like it's gonna work pretty well. So yeah, I'll do like a testing video in the future or something, because I don't have a wheel that I want to take the tires off yet. So anyway, so that's it for now. The next one I'm gonna make a vertical hanging rack for my go-kart.